Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Zoom for your Windows device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but for today's tutorial, we're going to open up Google Chrome. And into Google, we just want to navigate over to google.com. And in the Google search, you want to type in Zoom download, and you want to just search for that. And the best results should be from a zoom.us domain. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. So now, depending on what you want to do, most of you guys probably want to download the Zoom client for meetings. Otherwise, the Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. There's also options for the Zoom plugin for IBM Notes, as well as extensions for web browsers, mobile apps, and different sharing through your iPhone and iPad, conference rooms. But generally speaking, you're more than likely going to be looking at the top option here, which would be the Zoom client for meetings, more likely than not. So that's the one we're going to download today. I'm going to go select the download button. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run the installer. Select the run button. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. At this point, you either would join a meeting or sign into your Zoom account. So if you wanted to join a meeting, you go ahead and select that option up at the top. Give it a moment here. At this point, you'd enter in your meeting ID number, and then you can enter in with your screen name right underneath. And then if you want to remember your name for future meetings, you can keep that check marked. Otherwise, you don't have to. And while you will have these options available in app, you don't have to go into it with them on, such as do not connecting to your audio or turning off your camera. So if you want to keep them checkmarked, you can. Otherwise, you can just keep them unchecked. You can change these media control settings within the Zoom application, but we're just going to keep them unchecked, and then you just would go ahead and select join at that point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.